Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Microsoft iTunes company portal on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. Simply go to Windows search and type company portal. And here under Microsoft Store you will find result. So click on company portal. You may directly proceed with Microsoft Store and type company portal here, and such type of company portal app will appear. Its description: Microsoft Intune helps organizations manage access to controls, apps, data and resources. Company portal is the app that lets you as an employee of your company securely access those resources. So you may read these descriptions here. So you may directly download and install through Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and type company portal here. So all these specifications and descriptions you will find here. Simply click on get and let the Microsoft Store complete the downloading and installation process. It will take some time getting ready, checking dependencies, and it will take some time getting files ready, preparing to download. And its file size is 17.32 MB. So wait till 100% downloading completed. Once completed, it will take some time for installations of company portal, Microsoft Intune's company portal app. Once successfully installed, open it, and you must sign in with your Microsoft account to use company portal, Microsoft Intune app company portal in your Windows 11 and 10 system. So you must sign in with your Microsoft account and get ready for your work. That's all.